The early numbers surpassed even the company's expectations. 30,000 human volunteers injected with the experimental vaccine or a placebo, nearly 95% effective.
That was really a stunning realization. There were 11 cases of severe disease, but all 11 were on placebo. None of the vaccine recipients had severe COVID-19.
3 months ago, we were saying, will there be a vaccine? Can we actually make a vaccine?
Other scientists are eager to see the full data. If it holds up, it'll validate a new technology never used before in vaccines.
What that shows is that you can, the spike protein on which these vaccines are based looks like it's a good protein to make the vaccines against.
It's called messenger RNA technology. It uses genetic signals to trick the immune system into producing antibodies that attack the virus's spike protein, killing the virus. The news comes exactly a week after Pfizer and BioNTech also announced early findings. Both vaccine candidates use messenger RNA technology. They claim to be highly effective. Both require 2 shots 28 days apart, and the Canadian government had already pre-ordered 56 million doses from Moderna and 20 million from Pfizer, with an option for millions more. Moderna has one major advantage over Pfizer. Its vaccine has a longer shelf life and can be stored in common medical freezers, while Pfizer's has to be kept at -70.
How do you cold chain that, from the manufacturer to where it's administered, and then how do you maintain it before you give it, as a vaccine? So I think even though the two vaccines are, similarly effective at immune protection, one is sort of winning out on practical scale.
Just one of the logistical challenges to overcome when vaccinations are expected to begin next year. Vic Adopia, CBC News, Toronto.
Okay, so we have infectious diseases specialist Dr. Zain Chagla joining us because, Dr. Chagla, I guess now we have 2 potentially viable candidates, right? Does that translate into more Canadians being able to get the vaccine sooner?
Yeah, I mean, we started with 0 2 weeks ago, so this is obviously an improvement. I think it means that all those downstream issues like supply chain, rollout, anything that could hold up a vaccine, we have an insurance plan that we have 2 potentially effective vaccines that get to the market. It probably does mean we have double the supply, and hopefully it does mean that we are able to vaccinate more Canadians in a rapid manner, at least focusing more on, again, the vulnerable Canadians and healthcare workers and spreading out to the general population, hopefully in, again, a faster manner.
And that the vaccine not only seems to grant immunity, but also that people who did get sick didn't get as sick. I mean, is that surprising?
I mean, that's bonus. I mean, we do see this with some vaccinations like the influenza vaccine. Again, even Moderna and Pfizer had people who got the vaccine who still got COVID, but it's at least reassuring that even if that happens, the odds are that that person's still going to have a mild illness, which just adds to the benefit of these vaccines, hopefully.
Dr. Chagla, great to get your insight. Thank you so much.
No problem.